Hey everybody, this is Kenji Lopez-Altz and I'm going to show you a super simple way to make great homemade mayonnaise in 2 minutes or less using an immersion blender. Here's how we do it. Start by breaking an egg into a cup that's just big enough for the head of your immersion blender to fit. There's no need to separate the egg or use just the yolk here, by the way. Next, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This adds flavor, but more importantly, it helps the water and the oil in the mayonnaise to emulsify into a creamy sauce. Add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for the acidity. Fresh squeeze is definitely the way to go here, and if you'd like, you can also add a clove of minced garlic at this point. Top it all off with a cup of neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil. I don't recommend extra virgin olive oil for this because the violent action of the immersion blender can turn it quite bitter. Season it all with a big pinch of salt and a few grinds of black pepper. You can use white pepper if you don't like the look of black pepper specks in your mayo. Now here's the fun part. Lower the head of your immersion blender to the very bottom of the jar, then turn it on. As it spins, it draws oil down into a vortex, forming a thick, stable emulsion as you slowly lift it. Lift it up and down a few times to stabilize, and you've got mayonnaise.